a comprehensive guide for construction managers facing today's challenging labor market. Discover industry-specific strategies and data-driven approaches to effectively recruit and retain top talent. Construction labor market. 2025 landscape overview and industry trends. Recruitment process. Step-by-step hiring guide for optimal results. Digital tools. Modern platforms and technologies for efficient hiring. Compensation strategies. Designing competitive packages that attract talent. Retention best practices. Case studies and proven methods for workforce stability. Worker shortage. 432,000 unfilled positions industry-wide. Aging workforce. Workers aged 55 plus approaching retirement. Project demand. Increase in construction demand since 2022. Specialized trades face the most severe skilled labor gaps, particularly in electrical, vac, and plumbing sectors. Difficulty finding workers. 73% of construction firms report significant struggles in finding qualified candidates for open positions. Project delays. 42% of projects experience delays due to labor shortages, resulting in missed deadlines and increased costs. Extended time to hire. Construction positions remain open for an average of 68 days, creating project bottlenecks and operational challenges. Competition from federal projects. 35% of contractors face talent poaching from government infrastructure initiatives offering competitive packages. These hiring obstacles create compounding effects across the industry, affecting timelines, budgets, and overall project success. Work-life balance. 78% prioritize this over pure compensation. Career advancement. 65% seek clear growth opportunities. Modern technology. 59% prefer technologically advanced firms. Safety focus. 83% value safety-focused environments. Today's construction workers look beyond just pay. They want balance, growth, technology, and safety. Detailed requirements. Create comprehensive job requirements and responsibilities for each position. Skill assessment. Distinguish between must-have skills and those you can train for. Realistic timeline. Plan for 45 to 60 days to fill skilled positions properly. Budget parameters. Establish competitive wage ranges based on market research. Project-specific details. Include exciting information about current and upcoming projects. This creates immediate interest. Company culture. Highlight your work environment and advancement paths. Show why workers stay with you. Technical requirements. Clearly list required certifications and experience. Be specific about safety protocols. Effective job descriptions act as your first filter and marketing tool. They attract the right candidates. Dedicated careers section. Create a prominent careers area on your company website. Feature current openings with simple application paths. Project portfolio. Showcase your best work with high-quality photos. Include scope and scale to attract ambitious workers. Mobile optimization. Ensure mobile-friendly application process. 87% of applications now come from mobile devices. Social proof. Feature employee testimonials and team spotlights. Show real workers thriving in your company. Platform. Active profiles. Placement rate. Specialization. Builderstalent.com. 295,000. 38%. General construction. Constructionjobs.com. 187,000. 41%. Project management. Trade hire. 205,000. 44%. Skilled trades. Construction-specific job boards yield 3.2x better results than general platforms. They attract candidates with relevant experience. LinkedIn. 1.2m members in construction groups. Professional networking for management roles. Facebook. Targeted ads with 4.8x ROI versus general boards. Community building with local talent. Instagram. Visual showcase of projects and culture. Behind-the-scenes content builds interest. TikTok. 22M construction content followers. Reaches younger workers effectively. School partnerships. Establish relationships with local trade schools to create reliable talent pipelines with 43% placement rate. Internships. Identify promising talent early through structured internship programs that convert to full-time positions. Mentorship programs. Invest in workplace mentoring with 2-to-1 ROI while developing your next generation of skilled workers. Long-term retention. Educational partnerships lead to 87% retention after 3 years, creating workforce stability. Building relationships with educational institutions creates reliable talent pipelines. This strategy yields consistent results over time. AI-powered screening. Automated resume analysis saves 62% of screening time. It identifies qualified candidates faster. Platforms can scan for specific certifications and experience levels. Skills assessments. Technical evaluations verify actual capabilities. They reduce mismatches and future performance issues. Trade-specific tests ensure candidates have required knowledge. Video pre-screening. Short video questions reduce in-person interviews by 41%. They save time for both recruiters and candidates. Assess communication skills and professional presentation. Behavior-based questions. Assess real-world experience and problem-solving. Skills demonstrations. Practical tests for critical positions. Site visits. Evaluate culture fit and comfort level. Panel interviews. Include supervisors and potential teammates. A consistent, multi-step interview process reveals both technical skills and cultural fit. Well-structured interviews predict on-the-job success. Applicant tracking systems. Construction-specific ATS solutions streamline candidate management. VR assessments. Virtual reality safety training reduces onboarding accidents by 32%. Digital onboarding. Mobile platforms with compliance tracking improve worker experience. AI matching. Intelligent systems connect the right workers to suitable projects. Build Recruit Pro and similar tools cut hiring time by 48%. Technology investments pay off quickly through efficiency gains. The average hourly rate for skilled trades reached $38.72 in 2025. Regional benchmarking tools ensure your offers remain competitive. Performance-based incentives boost productivity by 27% when properly structured. Health benefits. 82% coverage on average for medical, dental, and vision plans. Retirement plans. Company matching at 3-5% demonstrates investment in long-term welfare. Training programs. Paid certification and skills development opportunities attract ambitious workers. Tool allowances. Equipment programs reduce worker expenses and show company support. 4x10 work week. 4 10-hour days are preferred by 72% of workers. This schedule reduces commute time and increases consecutive days off. Completion bonuses. Project-based incentives average 8-12% of base pay. They reward efficiency and quality while boosting morale. Weather accommodations. Flexible scheduling during extreme conditions shows worker care. Alternative indoor work during bad weather maintains productivity. Transparent overtime. Clear policies on extra hours prevent misunderstandings. Fair compensation for additional time maintains trust. Streamlined process. Reduced time to hire by 41% through optimized recruitment. Skills assessments. Implemented trade-specific evaluations to verify capabilities. Development pipeline. Created apprentice-to-journeyman pathway for long-term growth. School partnerships. Partnered with 17 trade schools for direct recruitment. Community focus. Local connections and involvement created strong recruitment network. Work-life balance. Family-friendly policies made the company attractive to local talent. Impressive results. 94% employee retention over 3 years despite market pressure. Women in construction. Women now represent 14% of the construction workforce, up from 9% in 2020. Veterans programs. Veterans programs show a 91% retention rate in construction roles. Multilingual workforce. Multilingual job postings increase applicant pools by 28%. Improved problem solving. Diversity improves problem solving capabilities on construction projects. 90-day integration. Structured process with clear milestones. Regular check-ins ensure smooth transition. Digital safety training. Interactive modules with 98% completion rate. Mobile access improves convenience. Buddy system. Pairing with experienced workers reduces turnover by 37%. Creates immediate connections. Feedback loops. Regular reviews build confidence. Clear expectations help measure progress. Career advancement. Clearly communicated growth paths motivate workers. Visual career ladders show potential trajectories. Position progression maps. Transparent requirements. Regular advancement reviews. Skills development. Annual investment of $2,500 per employee in training. Certification support builds loyalty. Specialized certifications. Cross-training opportunities. Leadership development. Recognition programs. Celebrating achievements builds morale. Public acknowledgement reinforces positive behaviors. Monthly spotlights. Performance bonuses. Safety recognition. Technology training and adoption. BIM and digital plans. Building information modeling skills are now essential for most roles. Mobile app proficiency. Daily reporting and communication increasingly happen through apps. Drone operation. Certification increases worker market value by 22%. AR/VR safety training. Simulation training reduces incidents by 48%. Technology skills now command premium wages. Workers with digital proficiency earn 18% more on average. Safety as advantage. Strong safety records attract quality workers. Transparent reporting. Open incident tracking builds trust. Equipment investment. Latest PPE shows commitment to worker welfare. Worker-led committees. Employee safety input increases buy-in. 83% of workers rank safety as a top factor when choosing employers. A strong safety culture reduces turnover by 34%. Key performance indicator. Industry benchmark. Your target. Time to hire. 68 days. 45 days. Cost per hire. $4,200. $3,500. 90-day retention. 72%. 85%. Year 1 retention. 58%. 75%. Productivity. 90 days. 65%. 80%. Track these metrics consistently. Compare your performance against industry benchmarks to identify areas for improvement. Rushed background checks. 31% of safety incidents tie to improper vetting. Thorough screening prevents costly problems later. Ignoring culture fit. Technical skills alone don't ensure success. Team integration affects productivity and retention. Vague job descriptions. Unclear requirements lead to mismatched expectations. Specificity attracts more qualified candidates. Overlooking referrals. Employee referrals are 3.8x more effective than job boards. Current workers know both the job and potential fits. AI-assisted matching. Artificial intelligence platforms connect workers to ideal positions. Skills-based hiring. Demonstrated abilities take priority over traditional credentials. Remote roles. Estimating and project management increasingly allow remote work. Gig economy platforms. Specialized talent accessible for short-term project needs. Prepare for these emerging trends now. Early adoption creates competitive advantage in the talent market. The ABC Hiring Toolkit provides ready-to-use templates. CMA certification programs offer specialized recruitment training. BLS regional wage data ensures competitive offers. Digital playbooks guide process implementation. Audit current process. Compare your practices against industry best standards. Implement improvements. Add at least 3 new strategies within 30 days. Establish goals. Set measurable hiring metrics and KPIs. Create feedback loop. Gather insights from current employees. Start with quick wins while building toward strategic improvements. Measure results consistently to refine your approach. Employer of choice. Known for exceptional work environment that attracts and retains top talent in the construction industry. Balanced approach. Meeting today's project needs while developing tomorrow's talent through mentorship and growth opportunities. Consistent practices. Applying proven hiring methods systematically across all departments and projects for reliable results. Strategic advantage. Effective hiring practices creating a competitive edge in securing the best talent for project success. Your workforce is your greatest asset. Strategic hiring creates project success today and company growth tomorrow.